You have two options in a moment like this during a cryptocurrency bull market. You can either run with your tail between your legs and go and hide and hope that the market falls and continues to fall and you get this amazing opportunity to jump in, or you can start jumping in as we speak. Those are your options, okay? One or the other, you gotta take it, but I am, of course, buying up the dip, continuing to trade and continuing to be super bullish in this market, even though things have chilled out a little bit. Now, we can see from the Google Trends that a lot of people have lost complete interest since we had this kind of blow off top here for the for the Bitcoin ETF. Now we have news of an Ethereum ETF. We also have rumors of a potential Solana ETF, and I could not be more bullish than I've ever been. Of course, I was super bullish for Bitcoin down in the bear market because I saw what was coming. It was very easy to see. But now I am still bullish, and I think that we are in a very normal correction in otherwise a very nice, tidy, clean bull market. But it's amazing how we can switch from being so crazy bullish into kind of a lull where everyone's like, wait, what's going on? Are we still in a bull market? And then straight back into the bull market. So we got to be paying attention. And today we are going to be talking about my top coins that I believe are going to help me make millions in this coming cycle. Now, I could be completely wrong. I don't know. It's worked out for me in the past. I'm pretty sure it's going to work out for me again, but again, I could be wrong. So you guys do your own research. Don't blindly follow anyone on the internet. Go and search on these platforms like Arkham. Look, you can look on here and you can see other people's trading wallets. You can go on Lunar Crush and you can see what coins are trending, what celebrities are talking about what. Go and do that sort of stuff. Go do your own bloody research. Look at this. We have whales on HTX opening massive long positions at 69,000. Look at this, huge, massive long positions. And these same whales open giga long positions at 29K. So we can see this, it's all over. We can see here as well on Bybit, two massive long positions opened right there at 69,000. So these guys think that there is a move on the cards for Bitcoin. Again, guys, I remind you, like we said here, exactly what this drawing is. We were expecting us to get potentially rejected at this point, come down, liquidate a bunch of people here, and then push upwards. But second of all, Solana, guys. Potential for a Solana ETF is one thing. But look at this, breaking. For the fourth day in a row, Solana outperforms Ethereum in 24-hour DEX volume. Yes, this is because we just had basically a quick Solana meme season and now it's chilled out a little bit. But it's doing more volume than Ethereum, all right? Way more. And we've discussed this many times before on the channel. I think that there's no reason why Solana can't go to where Ethereum went in the last bull run. So if we pick this up, we go to market cap, we go to all, we can see here the last bull run, $550 billion market cap for Ethereum. Solana right now, 80 billion. What does that give us? 550 divided by 80 gives us a 6.8x just for Solana, a 6.8x in this bull run. The chances of you getting out at the top is very unlikely, but you can get in and start taking profits. I think $159 is a great price for Solana. In fact, I opened a $100,000 long just yesterday on Solana. And I did this over on Margex. What's awesome about Margex is I've actually used Solana as my collateral for this trade. So I noticed that we had this area that I thought people were going to try and grab up liquidity from. This is really between 150 and 160 for Solana. Now we came back and retested that, and I think that this retest is going to end up being a bullish retest, and we are going to push upwards from here. Now I'm going to generate, if this works out, it might not work out, but if it does, I'm going to generate Solana on this trade. You can see so far I'm up 2.45 Solana, nothing really. It was about 11 yesterday, but hopefully I can generate, 100% move here, and I will make 120 more Solana. So I'm using Solana as my collateral. With that said, if you want to sign up to Margex, there's a link down there in my description. And guys, I've actually just launched a Discord group that is completely free, where Margex's traders will be providing signals and data for this market. And I think this is going to be a really awesome opportunity for you guys. So completely free. The link is down there just next to the Margex link. Now, of course, Bitcoin and Solana, boring, right? You guys are like, oh, I don't care about Bitcoin and Solana. Those are huge positions in my portfolio, but got to move on to the more degen realm. We got to go into the degen research that I've been doing and find these gems that no one else is talking about. So I want to talk to you about a project called Patex. I'm sure you've never even heard of it. It right now sits at a $5 million market cap, just $5 million. It's $4, right? $5 million market cap. The volume sits at $1.6 million in a single day. It's built on Ethereum. It's on a number of different exchanges like Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC, Tapbit, CoinEx, Pancake, Swap, and so on. It's been audited by CertTick, but what on earth even is it? If we jump over to the website, we can see it's basically a RWA ecosystem offering a wide array of advantages. They have a main investor from Acura Capital, which is the largest investment fund in Brazil with $1.3 billion under management. $1.3 billion, guys. They also have partnerships with strong players in the RWA sector like Kima, Red Belly, RWA Inc. And they also have a unique set of services within the ecosystem which are required to create, issue, and trade and manage tokenized assets, including their own blockchain, centralized exchange, educational platform, and literally a digital bank. You can see they also have their crypto card. So you can get your own personal card from Patex and start paying with crypto in everyday life. So actually physical and virtual cards. We can also see here Patex compared to other RWA projects. It'd be a 2x if it got to the 10 million, which is de facto, and a 200x if it got to $1 billion market cap on Ondo Foundation. Is right now, in my opinion, a tiny little market cap. I think there is huge room for moves for this, and guys, go check it out if you fancy it. And if you do want to stay up to date when I make any form of trade, you can see today I opened my first position in Patex here. So you guys can follow the links down there in my description to my Patreon. Now from there, let's be a little bit degen, because I think that political memes are going to do absolutely crazy stuff, right? I brought you guys FJB 5 days ago. 5 days ago, it was a $1.75 million market cap. Yesterday, it actually broke a $6 million market cap. So right now we sit at 4.5, but a $6 million market cap is about a 4x from this video. So if anyone saw this video and they acted on it, you would have made a 4x, right? That's huge. And if you are new to the channel, this is the opportunity. Do me a favor and smash up that subscribe button. FJB is a political meme. It's F Joe Biden. You guys can go check it out a little bit more if you want. I think this has a lot more legs to run. As we know, MAGA today sits at about a $500 million market cap. So that's a potential of a 100x. Who knows if it does that, guys, but I'm invested and I'm hoping that we go to the absolute moon with this one. And then moving on to a project you've heard me talk about a number of times before. This is Frontier. Now, so far, since we brought it onto the channel, it has been on a bit of a wild ride. It's definitely in an uptrend. It's doing extremely well. The first time we brought it was way back here, but we did reach a price of a whopping $2.77 since coming back in this little chill out period that we're having. The overall market is having a chill out period. So this may be the end of the market. So if you think that, don't bloody buy these sorts of things. Go home, right? Relax. But I don't think it is. So I have a big position in this again. It's on Binance, so it has huge liquidity behind it. And I do think that the rebrand that they're about to go through, which is actually in the process right now, their rebrand to self-chain, I think this is going to be huge because I've been involved. I got in early to a couple of projects, right, that did a rebranding into one of these, into a new chain, and they did really, really well. So that's why I'm banking on this again. We're going to go through this again because we did it with TVK, and that turned out to be an awesome play, right? Vannery, we did this one, and this had an absolutely insane move over the last year, right? Look at this, 600% up, which is amazing to see. And this is down from its highs, right? It's about 50% down from the highs, which I still think it can reclaim. Now, moving on, finally, we have Core DAO. Now, this is a $1.5 billion market cap. I hold it in my new cycle cryptocurrency portfolio. I think this fits in very well to the Bitcoin narrative. If you guys haven't really heard of Core DAO, they are a Bitcoin-powered EVM-compatible blockchain that combines delegated proof of work with delegated proof of stake. So I think this is an amazing opportunity. I think they're going to do really well, and I think the market is undervaluing this opportunity right now as everyone is extremely scared. Now, with that said, This is my personal portfolio. So you guys can do with this information however you see fit. Remember that nothing in this video has been an endorsement for you to buy or sell anything. I am personally holding the tokens in this video because, of course, I am a crypto investor before a YouTuber. So this is what I do on a day-to-day basis anyway. And then I bring you guys updates as to what I'm doing. So if you want to stay up to date with that, smash that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.